hello, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jana, or you can call me Jay, which one you prefer. Today the video is going to be is tackling behind me. I don't know if you're able to see that. Yeah, that's a coffee bar back there. Let me see if I can focus back there. There you go. That coffee maker back right there is the same coffee maker, if I can say that, coffee maker that my daughter gave me back in Christmas of 2011. Yeah, it's an old coffee maker. We do have a newer one that's in the kitchen, but I do have that one here. It's just sentimental, does that make sense, if I can say that. So I'm going to be tackling that back there. They're chasing the cats. Yeah. It's getting that time of night. They're getting a little frisky. They're wanting to eat. So they're like, Mom, are we done yet? So I'm going to be tackling that. It's going to be more of the red, white, and blue and green still kind of situation. What the other room that I just did, the kitchen, was the red, green, and gold. This one is more of a Candyland feel. Right here on the table that I have is also red and white, and I'm going to throw some splashes of green in there. That will go with the trees that I have in here too. I have out of the 12 trees that I have 1, 2, 3, 4 that are about the same theme, as in color, situation, and the snowflakes being in them. And then the remaining 8 are different themes within that I picked. A lot of it is vintage. I love vintage Christmas. But right now we're going to tackle this. We'll tackle the trees in a little bit, and I will show you a before and after. So I'm going to pick you up and move you over to here. That's one of the trees that I have. I don't know if we can focus. Let's see here. That is the red, the gold, the red, the green, and the white too. I have some white on there. And it has the gold little snowflake on top. But this is more or less the before that I have. It's very simple right now. I had this when my mother was here. And it has the tea tray here, or tier here. And then I have my sugars, the blue, the pink, and the yellow. And I just got the green one that I would use for my blends. And then it has here the hot cocoa served daily, and then the coffee machine that Ray uses all the time. And then of course we use this together. They just brought out, I don't know, oh here's one. They just brought out, and I love it, let me see if I can focus on there, peppermint mocha coffee at Walmart. Oh my goodness, it is just heavenly. And of course you got Santa Claus Lane, if that can be focused in for all of you. Let me shut on the screen there. So yeah, so you got the green, the red, and you also got some silver in there too. And that silver will be brought in a little further back into the family room situation. So I'm going to go ahead and tackle this. I'm going to hang some stuff up here on the ceiling right through here. As you can see, there's some depth here. So there's going to have to be some maneuvering of, if I can do this, and I apologize guys, of bringing it through here and not as heavy, the length of the fishing wire. So yeah, let's see how this turns out, and I will show you the progress during it. So this is the before. Don't mind Saul, he's just talking to me. And then the little Santa with his sleigh. I do have a couple of chocolates in here that Ray left. And then of course the cinnamon. And then you have your cinnamon, hot cocoa, nutmeg, pumpkin spice kind of flavoring that you can put in your coffee. And I need to fill those. I wasn't even thinking. of the cream and sugar, and then of course the honey for the tea. So I will be back, and then below I should probably Ray made this little coffee bar, believe it or not. He is so handy. And those are all of our, I don't even have them displayed properly, all of our Starbucks. You know, I think you guys saw that I was trying to collect one of the new Christmas plastic reusable cups, and it was just not what I thought. And then of course his filters, and then I have treats in here, nuts there, and then popcorn. I need to get more popcorn in the microwave, so when the grandbabies come and visit, they're up there wanting to watch the Christmas movies. I'm about to put one on. Probably Miracle on 34th Street is my all-time favorite. I love New York, Macy's, everything. What's about it? So I'll be back. I'll be back. Come back. Alrighty. So now what I've done is I separated, or what I'm going to put up here. I already got the snowflake put up. So I'm going to go ahead, they're not going to be the same, they're going to be different levels. So silver and white and red, and it's more or less playing off the sleigh, to be honest, the red and white. So there you go. I might put 2 more of these up, but I'll see when we get further down. Hey, that snowman is like hiding. So, but yeah, I just want to let you know what I do is I separate them, so I know one side going to have that many ornaments, and then this side will have this many. So I'll be back. Okay, I changed it up again. You know, it's just one of those things when you decorate, you have an idea and you sort of work off that idea. I had just changed it up. I had shown you just shortly of the different ornaments that I was using during to put up there by the coffee bar. So I am going to show you what it looks like, and I'm missing something, but it's okay. I'm going to turn it around so you guys see. Ta-da! There it is. Here is what the ornaments look like floating in the air. It looks really, really festival. I do have the big light on, but what I'm wanting to do is to put some lighting in the green area. You know, put like a 25 light points right in on the green, or on the top of it, so it reflects up to get that. This is one of the 4 trees that have the same theme. So this here has the green, the red, the white, and then I went ahead and went up on it, but I threw some silver in there like that. And it has the huge snowflake right there. Let me see. Let me shut the light off. Maybe you'll be able to bear with me. Oh yeah, see, I'm needing some light in through there, and maybe what I'll do is wait to edit this until I get it. And then I went ahead, let me turn the light back on so you see it. I went ahead and I had put some Christmas ornaments on that Christmas tree there to go with Santa. And I don't know if I have filled up the cream and sugar, so it's topped off. And then I also put some decorative ribbon around the sugars here. So the gold, I don't have any really gold, only gold that reflects it off is going to be Santa's sleigh, which is nice. It more or less bounces back to it. And then his glasses. What's wrong, baby girl? What's wrong? Yes, I know it's cold. I know. Oh, did we get into my yarn? Oh no, I hope not. So that is going to be the coffee bar. I'm thinking what I'm going to do is like get a line of lights and just wrap it around through here to reflect the different items on the coffee bar, and then reflect up to the glitter. I do have some glitter up there. The red is glitter. That red and white has glitter, the silver. So I'm praying that it will glitter will pop. So then this is one of the trees here, and as you can tell, the snowflake theme is going to be coming off the tree. Oops, sorry, so sorry. Boy, Luna, you loud drinker. So yeah, that's what it looks like. I'm really happy with it. I was just going to go with the red, the silver, and the white, but I needed some color to pick off the wreath there and also off the tree to make it all balanced. So that's why I put in the sparkling green ornaments here and then the red glitter here, just to bounce off a little bit off each other so it doesn't look just like there's just white in the air. So yeah, that's what it is. So I'll probably, before I get this completed for all of you, I am going to change it up a little bit, meaning get some lights in through here. I don't know, fairy lights. I've never had fairy lights. I wanted to connect on the timer, so that kind of thing. But yeah, that's what I've done so far. The lighting in the dining room, the kitchenette area, and the kitchen have just come on. I'm thinking probably after this I'll just record some of that so it'll be attached to what we've done previously in the kitchen, because that too have floating ornaments. It looks really pretty. It's very simple and clean but very elegant kind of thing. It's not overwhelming. I have a lot of Christmas in here. We haven't even touched the living room or the dining room, and that's not too bad, to be honest with you. It really isn't too bad. But what's really bad, let me make sure. That's bad. Look at that. Oh my goodness sakes. And I'm watching my favorite movie of all time, Miracle on 34th Street. So, and then Blues is just chilling. She is, even though she's a husky, she really, this cold wind and that weather is just not going well with her. So I'm like losing my voice. I need to get some soup going, get some broccoli soup going for me. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you have any comments or questions or where or why kind of thing, ask them in the comments. I will reply as soon as I can. Usually the turnaround is very fast. I appreciate you guys watching. Subscribe if you've not subscribed yet. Share if you've not shared, if someone would like to maybe give them some ideas what to do for the holidays. And be good to yourself. Be good to others, because we just don't know what part of the journey is. And I love you guys. I really do. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video. See you soon. Bye-bye. Okay guys, gotta do dishes.